Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix wrong screen resolution and scaling issues in Windows 11. First method, display scale and resolution. Second method, press Windows, Ctrl, Shift, and B keys to refresh display. Third method is rollback driver. Fourth method is update display driver. Fifth method is uninstall driver. Sixth method is change refresh rate. Seventh method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.